Hello everyone, what's up? My name is Suraj. Welcome to today's vlog. And in today's vlog, we are going to discuss the sixth level of money ladder which you will encounter in your life.
Number one, which is if you are earning anywhere between 10 to 20,000 as your salary and in the tier 1 or tier 2 city. So let me tell you, your rent is pulling up to 7,000 to 10,000, right? If you're living in PG, it will cost you 10,000, and if you're living separate 1 BHK in tier 2 city might cost you 7,000, right? So this is your shelter in 10 to 20,000 salary. Next coming up is food, and the food, if you take, it is bare minimum 3,000 if you are living yourself, or if you are in PG, if they are providing you food, 10,000 including food, and that is the major portion of your salary. And next comes the travel. If you are traveling through the public transport, 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000 is bare minimum. Even if you are traveling through the metro or through the bus. If you have your own public transportation, fuel might cost you up to 2 to 3,000. Next comes equals to food equals to shelter is internet and mobile recharge. If you have your personal laptop, you need a broadband at home which is bare minimum 700 these days. And personally, your mobile recharge is 300 must, and in that you get 2 GB data, and if you're all day out, 2 GB data is not essential, right? Apart from this, if anything is left over, you can do your own savings, right? So this is the first wealth ladder and your lifestyle of the salary 10 to 20,000. Let's go ahead and see what is the lifestyle of the wealth ladder number 2. Alright, so now let's jump into anywhere if you're earning the salary between 20 to 40,000, right? Now here you can add up a little bit of luxury. The luxury which I mean is you can afford subscriptions. Subscriptions like Netflix, Prime Video, and a little bit of nice shopping website, Zudio, or any mall shopping you can do. On top of that, you can also do a occasional cab travel within the tier 1 city, and this is a little bit of freedom which you get if you are earning anywhere between 20 to 40,000, and a better savings you can do with smart investments anywhere if you are falling in the wealth ladder number 2. Wealth ladder number 2 can give you a little bit of freedom than who falls in ladder number 1. So anywhere if you are falling in ladder number 2, this is a bit of luxury where you can live a little bit of lavish life. Now let's go ahead and deep dive into ladder number 3. What is the lifestyle of ladder number 3? Here comes the ladder number 3, which is anywhere between 40 to 60,000, and this is a little bit of comfortable and independent lifestyle. Now we will discuss a little bit more on this ladder of wealth. What you can do in this ladder, you can earn a better rent, better area, food, weekend outings, investments, and a leisure time which is very decent. In this would fall under a good lifestyle as well as a comfortable independent savings you can do. So with this salary you can do a better investment plan and better savings as well as a decent lifestyle with a smart middle class strategy. So if you are earning anywhere between 40 to 60,000, this is more comfortable and independent because you can take smart decisions. Let me tell you, this is the category of people which they can afford lifestyle in a more independent way. This range of people can do and take better decisions. Let's go ahead and see what comes next ladder. Moving ahead, I'm gonna tell you what falls under 60 to 80,000 of lifestyle, right? So if you're falling under anywhere between 60 to 80,000 of salary range, and this wealth ladder means that you can travel anywhere, which is the highest form of freedom. Despite of all needs, wants and savings done, this salary range gives you a freedom to travel anywhere. And I'm telling you this only if you don't have any personal or any loans to pay. If you are earning anywhere between 60 to 80,000, you have the opportunity to travel freely, and that is the highest form of freedom and privilege. So let me tell you, this is one of the luxurious wealth ladder which you have to attain if you are earning anywhere between 60 to 80,000 per month. We are done with the travel freedom ladder of wealth. Now let's go ahead and see the purest form of segment is 80,000 to 1 lakh per month wealth ladder. In this, you have an option of choosing house. Yes, so this option is not much available for most of the below segments people. If you are earning anywhere between 80 to 1 lakh per month, choosing your own house is the type of freedom which you get. Despite having all the essentials, wants and needs fulfilled, you can also have the freedom of choosing your lifestyle, where to live, which house to live, whether you're choosing villa or whether you can rent a villa, or you can also buy a home if you are falling under 80 to 1 lakh rupees wealth ladder. Now this means you can afford a good area house which has a premium segment of furniture and segment of amenities available. So if you are falling in any of these ladders, that is the lifestyle what you can choose. Now last, we will see the most highest form of ladder, what we can do and what we can afford. Now let's go ahead and lastly talk about the bonus ladder, what you can do with in that salary range, and what is your capacity, what will be your capacity to do in that wealth ladder. So we are on to the last segment of the wealth ladder. First was living paycheck to paycheck, right? It is very difficult to survive. It's not very difficult. It is very difficult to survive with between paycheck to paycheck in first ladder of wealth. And in second ladder of wealth, you can choose the food and groceries type of freedom, right? And in third, you can choose a little bit of a luxury, which is a restaurant freedom, where you can choose any restaurant. And next form of ladder was travel freedom. You can choose and opt to go a little bit more of extra to explore India, within India, right? And the next form of segment was the house form of freedom, where you could have chosen to go any house, any area, and good premium segment of living, right? Now comes the last ladder of wealth, where, oh my god, my left hand is paining. Okay, now the last wealth of ladder is what I want to introduce you and make you understand what type of freedom you can have. Now this salary range is 1 lakh plus per month. If you are earning anywhere between 1 lakh per month in your salary, not having any personal EMIs or the home loan EMIs. And if you're earning anywhere between 1 lakh plus month, trust me, you can build businesses with 1 lakh plus in your bank account. Now, what could be the businesses? Businesses could be a small coffee shop, businesses could be a beauty parlor, businesses could be a hairdressing shop, businesses could be a tutoring, businesses could be any small business and essential business where which you can focus. So these are the type of ladders which we spoke about in today's video. And my name is Suraj, money investing videos as well as any finance videos going forward. So stay tuned, subscribe and share this information with the wealth ladders and the options you can choose between 6 ladders of the wealth. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.